Oh no, Tata Federasi. Stop beating me hardy, I'm not your boro. Stop kicking me hardy, remember your promise. You love me no matter what, it is all about love. But not a battlefield, imagine it, Tata Federasi. Don't leave the taxi. Don't leave with a stool taxi. All you ask is food. It really hurts so much for someone to beat you hard and ask you a goodsy. This time I want to give you. Remember it dies of the catty. Chifansalida, what if I get another money? See how I am fed. Imagine it at a Federasi. You've never paid for my dowry. Oh no, you are unfair. You are just a son-in-law of a banana plantation. The only function you are invited is a funeral light. Even your brother-in-law has never eaten the chicken is segwanga and is a white dress. I'm calling upon my fellow women to fight for their rights, to stop domestic violence. Oh no, our government, listen to our cry. Fight against domestic violence, police our husband, stop domestic violence, some of these men, beat us to Paluku, some of these men, beat us to Miss College, some of these men, beat us to Desi. Remember when you proposed, I was such a young girl, very beautiful, with a nice skin. I had the heart of buffalo, like Phonic Minaji, but look at my chastity, full of stocks. I had a nice figure, with a big booty. I had a wasp waistity, like for Chimukadasiani. Look at my legacy, like a for you that deo, this ninja assassin of Jesus Christ, because of calling many pregnancies for your children. Oh no, you are unfair. Look at my legacy, like a for SpongeBob in the square fantasy. Oh no, that Federasi, police our husband, stop domestic violence.